if you're experiencing a login failure on your Steam Deck with the error code 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to the internet. You can do this by navigating to the settings and checking the network status. If you're not connected, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or using a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve login issues. Hold down the power button until the power menu appears, then select Restart. Wait for the device to reboot and try logging in again. Step 3. Verify Steam server status. Check if Steam servers are down or experiencing issues. You can visit the Steam status page online to see if there are any ongoing outages. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 4. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then try logging in again. Step 5. Reset password. If none of the above steps work, consider resetting your Steam account password. Go to the Steam website, click on Forgot Password, and follow the instructions to reset it. After resetting, try logging in with the new password on your Steam Deck. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.